Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a remix based Shopify app. We will learn how to run the app locally using the Shopify CLI, and we will install the app on a dev server, and we will generate a test product from the app. Before installing the app, you need a Shopify partner account, a development store, latest Shopify CLI, and latest browser like Chrome or Firefox. So let's get started. First of all, we need to run this command Shopify App init. So I will open Visual Studio Code, and right now I am on the desktop, and I will type Shopify App init, and it will start installing the Shopify app in my computer. So it will ask you a few questions like build a remix app or build an extension only. Whenever we are building the app, we need to select build a remix app, and if we are making only extension, then we will select the build an extension only app. So this time we will select build a remix app, and then we will select JavaScript or TypeScript, whatever you would like. So I will select TypeScript and hit enter, and then it will ask you to select your Shopify partner account. I have different partner accounts, so I will select the first one, Wixop Technology, and then it will ask you create this project as a new app on Shopify. Yes, we are going to create the new app. If we have created the app through partner account, then we will select no, connect it to an existing app. But we are creating the new app, we will select yes, create it as a new app. Here you will name of the Shopify app. So in my case, I will name it my first app and hit enter, and it will start downloading the template from GitHub, and then it will installing the dependency in our product. So it will take some time. Okay, our app is installed. Now the next steps, run cd my first app. So we need to go to this directory. So I'll type cd my first app and hit enter, and then we will run Shopify App Dev. If you would like to create the extension, you can run Shopify App Generate extension, but this time we are not going to create the extension. We are running the app. So I will type Shopify App Dev, Shopify App Dev, and hit enter, and it will start running our app, and it will ask you which store would you like to use to view your project. So I will select Wixop checkout and hit enter, and then it will ask you have Shopify automatically update your app's URL in order to create a preview experience. Yes, so always select yes, automatically update. So I will select yes. So every time when we run our app, it will give us a new preview URL. Okay, so now our app is running. So here are few commands which you can use. Press D to toggle the preview mode. Press G to open the GraphQL Admin API in your browser, and press P preview this app in your browser, and press Q to quit the app. So we will press P to open the app in our browser, and it will open the app in the browser and ask the permissions to install the app in our store. So I will click on install. It is asking to view and add the store products and the store owner personal data. So I am okay with that and I press install. Okay, now our app is running. So sometime it doesn't open. So you need to go back and press P again and open that in the new window. And this time your app is opened. I will close my previous app, and this is the main index page where we have different components. So let me walk you through our project folder and files. Okay, first one we have .shopify. This is for internal config for folder for Shopify CLI, auth, app, setup, etc. Then we have VS Code, setting for the Visual Studio Code, optional for the editor config. Then we have app folder, our core remix apps, code, routes, components, loader, action, everything comes in the app. And then we have extensions for Shopify app extension like checkout UI or admin extension. Then we have node modules, all npm dependency and auto generated code over here. Then we have Prisma schema and migration file used for the database setup. And then we have public folder. These are the static file, for example, images, fav icon, etc. Okay, these are some file .ignore used if you are constraining the app with the Docker. Then we have editor config, standard code for formatting setting across the editor. And then we have islint configuration for the code lining. Then we have git ignore, files and folders to ignore in the git. Then we have GraphQL config optional used if your app uses GraphQL. Then .npmrc custom npm setting, for example registry or token. And then we have prettier ignore files to ignore when formatting with the prettier. So these are the different files for the configuration. Our main focus is on the app folder where we have routes, and these are the file is being used in our code. So let's take a look. The first one, app_index. This is our file which is coming over here, this one. So we have this component. Let's copy and paste, copy this text and find that over here. So this is heading coming from the app._index.tsx. So let's try to change this. Welcome to my app and press Ctrl S to save the file, and as you can see the text is changed instantly. Then we have generate a product button. So let's find that button and see how it is working. So this is a generate a product, and whenever we click this function, then generate product. So let's find the generate product function over here. What it does, it fetches the submit and it send the request as a post, and then we create the new file. So and it send the request to our action, and if you go to the action function over here, this one, we get the request, admin, we authenticate the request, and then we have an array of color red, orange, yellow, and we multiply this for 4, and we will pick one random color like red, yellow, green, anything, and then we create the product with the admin API using the GraphQL. We will send this GraphQL query like magician populate product, and we are sending the product title, which will be a color and snow mode. Then when we'll get the response, we will create a new variant, and we will update the variant price like $100. So whenever you click on the generate a product, you will see a new product in your admin. So let's try to create a new product. Click on generate a new product, and this is the response we get, and we have orange snowboard and the price was 0, and then we update the price, we get the price 100. And if I open the products, you will see we have a new product, orange snowboard, and the price is $100. Okay, so let me just change these colors and try our own colors. Let's say blue, and then white, and then pink, and brown, and save that, and try to generate the product again, and let's see what we will get this time. And this time we get the brown snowboard, and the price is $100. And if you go to products and see the latest product, you will see a new brown snowboard product is added. So this is how you can install the basic Shopify app, and you can add the product in your admin. Very simple, very easy. Please let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.